Alright, here we have the Airsoft Shadow Ops Sniper Rifle on sale at BudK for $159.99. Scan the field from a secure position behind the Airsoft Shadow Ops Sniper Rifle. This thing is so sweet. This detailed replica features a one-piece precision metal barrel, adjustable hop-up system, high-power pinpoint accuracy system, and a highly effective long-range shooting capability. It also comes complete with Picatinny mounting rail system, UTG Deluxe Picatinny mount foldable bipod with adapter, spare magazine, spring-powered deluxe spring loader, and a tactical sniper rifle sling for easy transport. Now the scope and rings are of course sold separately. Now Joseph Mithen from Tucson says, it's a good sniper, but it could use a scope. It is a strong air gun. And Anonymous Military says, first off, I had the $700 version of this and I have used it in many simulations. For the price of this rifle, it is great. Just get a good scope for it and you are ready to roll.
Nice. I got two of them, yeah.
How about one shot blinder?
Got two.